Welcome to Animated Maths for All, Series 1, Maths No Myth.
Lena, your circle is so big, and you are going to take a longer time to color it.
Yes, area of my circle is more, but I could finish coloring fast.
When the diameter is more, perimeter is more. I think area is also more. How do we find the area of any circle? Let us look at the animation.
This scene shows a blue circle with the radius r marked.
It is exciting to learn how to calculate the area of the circle.
A circle can be cut and rearranged to form a rectangle, which is a key to the area formula.
The circle is beautiful, but the rectangle is an amazing shape that simplifies formulas for many shapes.
The formula for the area of a circle is pi times r, or pi r squared.
If we know the radius of the circle, we can calculate its area.
The formula is area equals pi r squared. Remember that pi is approximately 22 over 7, or 3.14.
Let's try an example. If a circle has a radius of 14 centimeters, what is its area?
Already pi is a fraction? Now we have to square a number also?
You just have to do step by step. Maths is easy. State the formula, substitute known values, square the radius, and do the final calculation.
Let me take pi equals 22 over 7.
It is simpler. If r's value is a multiple of 7,
We can divide by 7 easily.
memorizing the 7's multiplication table helps with such problems. How do we find the area of a semicircle?
Do we have to divide the area of the circle by 2?
Yes, the area of a semicircle is half the area of the corresponding circle, using the formula pi r squared divided by 2.
For finding the area of a quarter circle,
The area of a quarter circle is the area of the circle divided by 4, as it is a quarter of a circle.
This scene highlights the formulas for the area of a semicircle and a quarter circle.
Geometry is interesting and logical.
Let us solve a few questions on semicircle and quarter circle.
What is the area of a semicircle of radius 28 centimeters? Take pi equals 22 over 7.
show the steps, Monko.
The area of the semicircle is calculated by applying the formula, half of pi r squared, leading to 1,232 square centimeters.
Monko seems to be more intelligent than all of us. Now let me challenge Monko. Find the area of a quarter circle of radius 42 centimeters. Give the area in square meters.
I can do it in 2 ways. Either calculate the area first in square centimeters and then divide by 1,000, or convert the radius to meters first and then calculate the area. Never forget such conversions.
Whoever watches Animated Maths for All becomes smarter. We had a great time exploring the circles. Want to join us practicing more exam questions in next session?
Thank you for watching this video. Like, forward, and subscribe to Animated Maths for All.